Connor becomes Catboy. Amaya becomes Owlette. Greg becomes Gecko. The PJ Masks. Hi everyone! We have giant Play-Doh surprise eggs for each of our favorite PJ Masks superheroes, Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. Hey, wait! What's going on? Owlette suddenly changed from red to green. Catboy changed from blue to red. Gecko changed from green to blue. Which evil nighttime villain do you think did this? Romeo, Luna Girl, or Night Ninja? Let me know in the comments and we'll find out. Ellie. Ellie. Catboy, Owlette, and Gecko are back to their normal colors for now. But let's find out which night villain did this before it happens again. Let's open these 3 eggs to see if we can find any clues to help save the PJ Masks. Let's start with this Catboy egg. Let's remove this red Play-Doh. Catboy is the blue PJ Mask who uses super cat speed to chase the evil night villains. I hope we can find a clue in this egg so we can find the night villain who changed the PJ Masks colors. Wow, there are a lot of surprises in here. Cool, here's Cayenne from the Lion Guard on Disney Junior. Cayenne is a lion, and lions are cats just like Catboy. Cayenne's the leader of the Lion Guard. I like his hairy tail and the hair on his head. This is a Minecraft surprise box. I love playing with Minecraft. This is Skeleton with a pumpkin helmet. Skeleton reminds me of Halloween with his orange pumpkin helmet. He looks like he could be one of the evil night villains on PJ Masks. Awesome! It's a Spider-Man action figure. Spider-Man is a superhero who uses spider superpowers, just like Catboy uses cat superpowers. Here is Spider-Man. And here is a spider web. Whoa! Did you see Spider-Man shoot the spider web? That's so cool! That spider web almost hit us! Let's see what else is in this egg. What's this? This is a pair of eyeglasses. I think this is our first clue to see which night villain changed the PJ Masks colors. Let's open up the next egg and see if there are any other clues. The next egg is Owlette. Owlette is the only girl superhero in PJ Masks. Owlette uses her super owl wings to fly and her super owl eyes to see the night villains when it's dark. Let's remove this pink Play-Doh. And open the egg. Nice! Here's a blind bag from My Little Pony. Here's My Little Pony flyer. Cool! We found Apple Cinnamon. Apple Cinnamon is a red pony just like an apple, and he has green hair and a green tail. Wow! We found a Sophia the First toy set. Awesome! This is Princess Sophia and her rabbit Clover. Here is Princess Sophia. Sophia has magical purple amulet that lets her talk to animals. Let's give Sophia her purple purse. And here is Clover, the blue ribbon bunny. Clover is such a funny bunny. And oh yeah, he loves to eat snacks. We found another blind bag. This blind bag is from the Littlest Pet Shop. Here are all the figures you can collect. And here is a purple squirrel holding some yellow grapes. You can take the grapes and put them in her hair. Cool! And here is a peanut shell where she sits. It looks like we have one more surprise in this egg. This is the letter R. I think this is another clue. Our first clue was a pair of eyeglasses, and now we have the letter R. I'm not sure which night villain it is yet. Let's open the last egg. And here is our Gecko. Gecko is a PJ Masks superhero who uses lizard superpowers like super gecko muscles and super gecko grip to climb up walls just like a lizard. Let's remove this blue Play-Doh and see what we have inside this egg. I hope we can find another clue. Cool! This is a surprise can from the Ugly's Pet Shop. Ugly's pets are so funny to look at. Here is a flyer with all the Ugly's pets. This surprise can comes with 2 figures. The first figure is Shocker Spaniel. He has such a long tongue. This is Clawful Crab. Awesome! It's a Transformers rescue bot. This is Boulder the construction bot. He is so big and strong, and green just like Gecko. When you push this button on his arm, the drill on his arm spins. That's so cool! We have one last surprise. It's a purple egg. It doesn't sound like there's anything in this egg. Wait, did you hear that? That laugh sounds so familiar. So we found 3 clues today. The eyeglasses, the letter R, and the laughing egg. I got it! I know who changed the PJ Masks colors. It's Romeo. Romeo wears eyeglasses. His name starts with the letter R, and that is Romeo's laugh inside the purple egg. Now that we found Romeo, let's turn the PJ Masks back to their normal colors. PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks. Owlette is red, Catboy is blue, and Gecko is green. Thanks for helping me save the PJ Masks. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more PJ Masks mysteries. This is Ellie Sparkles. Bye! Hi PJ Masks fans! The night villain Romeo is doing something nice and bringing us PJ Masks cubies. Look at Romeo go! He's working so hard! I wonder if there are surprises inside these cubies. But I hope Romeo isn't trying to trick us. We have Greg, Gecko, Amaya, Owlette, Connor, and Catboy. Who is your favorite PJ Masks character? Okay, let's get ready to open these PJ Masks cubies and see what surprises Romeo left inside. Our first PJ Masks cubie is Greg. Greg turns into the PJ Masks superhero Gecko. Greg has blonde hair and his eyes are green, just like Gecko. Let's open up this Greg cubie and see what's inside. Oh no! It's icky purple slime! Romeo, you slimed us with purple slime! There's so much of this slime inside this cubie! It's so sticky! Let's check the slime to see if there are any surprises. I think I found something, but it's stuck in the slime. Awesome! It's a Finding Dory blind bag. I wonder which surprise we found. It's Hermit Crab. Look at this big green football helmet he's wearing. I can see his eyes inside the helmet, but I think he's trying to hide. Look at his 6 crab legs. Is there anything else inside the purple slime? No, I think that's it. The next cubie is Amaya. I like Amaya's red eyeglasses. Okay, PJ Masks fans, do you know which PJ Masks superhero Amaya turns into? Let me know in the comments. Let's see what Romeo left us inside this Amaya cubie. Romeo slimed us again! This time Romeo slimed us with pink slime. Wow, look how much pink slime is in here. Okay, let's put the slime back and see if there are any surprises inside. I can't find anything. Oh, wait, I feel something. It's Starlight from Teen Titans Go! Starlight is friends with all the members of Teen Titans like Beast Boy, Robin, and Raven. I like her long pink hair. Let's put Starlight down and see what else Romeo left us inside the pink slime. I feel something, but I can't reach it. Oh, I got it. It's Silky. Silky is a baby moth and he's Starlight's pet. He has green eyes, but he likes to keep his eyes closed a lot. Look at the little antennas on his head. Let's put Starlight and Silky together. They make a good team, don't they? It looks like that's all the toys in the Amaya cubie. The next cubie is Connor. Connor turns into the PJ Masks superhero Catboy at night. Connor has brown hair and brown eyes. Okay, let's see what Romeo left us inside Connor's cubie. Romeo, you slimed us again! This time with black slime. Look at how super icky this black slime is. Did Romeo leave us any surprises inside? Yes, it's something black. Oh, nice! It's a Batman Mashem surprise. These mashups are so much fun! I wonder which Batman character is inside. We got Catwoman. Catwoman wears a black costume just like Batman. Okay, let's squish her. I like her yellow goggles. Is there anything else inside this black slime? No, I think that's it. Now let's move on to the heroes cubies. The first one is Gecko. Gecko is the green superhero from PJ Masks. Gecko is the youngest among the PJ Masks members, but he's very strong. He has cool superpowers like Super Gecko Grip and Super Gecko Muscles. No! More slime! Romeo left green slime for Gecko. Is there anything else besides slime? Cool! It's a surprise egg from the Avengers! Let's see which superhero we find inside. Awesome! It's a Spider-Man figure! Spider-Man is cool because he can climb really high and fly across buildings using his spider webs. I like his red and blue costume. Let's check if there's anything left inside the green slime. Nope, I think that's it for the Gecko cubie. So let's open up the next one. Here is our red superhero, Owlette. Owlette has owl superpowers like Super Owl Eyes and Super Owl Wings. I hope there's no slime in here. Oh no! Romeo slimed us again with red slime. Maybe Romeo doesn't want us to find the surprise toys, so he hides them inside the slime. He is so naughty! Okay, we found a surprise toy inside the red slime. It's a Disney Princess Palace Pets blind bag. And in the back, it shows all the Palace Pets we can collect. Let's see which pet we get. We found Fern. Fern is Princess Aurora's pet and she's an owl just like Owlette. She has pink feathers and wears a gold tiara on her head. I wonder if Fern has super owl powers like Owlette too. Looks like there are no more toys left inside this Owlette cubie. So let's move on to the next one. Our last cubie here is Catboy. Catboy is the leader of PJ Masks, and he uses his cat superpowers to stop the evil night villains. Let's see what Romeo left us inside this Catboy cubie. Oh, I knew it! Slime again! Romeo probably made a slime machine to make all of this slime. But we also found a surprise inside the blue slime. Let's check it out. Awesome! It's a blind bag from the new Disney Pixar movie, The Secret Life of Pets. Do you have pets at home? Let me know in the comments what kind of pets you have. Let's see which one we get here. Cool! We have Max. Max is a terrier dog who loves his owner. I can't wait to see the movie to find all the secret life of pets. No, I think that's it. Romeo slimed us, but we were able to find all the surprise toys. Nice try, Romeo! Give me a thumbs up if you like PJ Masks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos with Romeo. Thanks for watching. This is Ellie Sparkles. Bye!